Do you like curls? I do. I love curly hair. I think it's just so bouncy and fun, and I really like having my hair curled. But I wonder, like, how many women actually still own a set of curlers? And how many women actually even use them? So I actually own two sets of hair rollers. I have this set, which is the standard hot rollers. You heat them up, roll your hair with them. And then I have this one back here. It was all the rage back in the day. It was the as seen on TV. The Caruso molecular hair setter. It used water and salt and steam. And the steam was supposed to make the curls last longer. So as you might have guessed, today I'm decluttering bathroom products. We have so many bathroom products in this house. Some of them have gone expired, some of them we're never going to use, and my closet and underneath of my bathroom sink is just overflowing with bathroom products. So today I want to bring them all in here from the bathroom and sort them out on my table, which was still empty until I brought my rollers in here. So this is everything that was in my bathroom closet and underneath of my bathroom sink. That is a ton of bathroom products. So this is just everything from underneath of my bathroom sink and from inside of my bathroom closet. I was planning on getting out everything that was in the drawers in there as well, but I ran out of room on the table, and so I'll probably do those another day. But for now, I'm going to go through this, try to declutter it, and hopefully try to organize it a little bit better. So we actually have 5 sets of these. You can go to Walmart around Christmas time and you can pick these up for about $10. And I get it. Everybody sees it and they think, well, that's just $10 and that's a nice gift. Everybody can use bathroom products. The problem comes when everyone has that same idea. So everyone goes and buys the same gift for the same person. So my mother-in-law every year will buy my husband and my son a set, and then my mom would go and buy my husband and my son a set, and sometimes my nephew would even buy my son and my husband a set. So every year at Christmas, my son and husband get between 4 and 6 of these every Christmas. And they can't use all of that within a year. And so we have so many of these still left over. So I've already talked to my mother-in-law and I've told her that they already have enough of these sets to get through. They have more than enough probably for another year. So I've already told her not to buy any more this Christmas. And I'm probably going to try to go ahead and get rid of a couple of these sets. I want to set them to the side and I'll ask the boys just to make sure that they definitely don't want them. But I think I'm going to get rid of a couple sets. Another example of gift sets that come from Walmart at Christmas time, we wind up with a ton of razors. This one is a new one. I think I'm going to go ahead and open this up and use my new one and get rid of my old one. So these products have been in my house for probably at least 9 years, and the chemical properties have probably changed, and there's a good chance that this sunscreen isn't going to protect your skin, and there's a good chance that the off isn't going to repel the bugs. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. So my husband really likes this scent, but instead of keeping them in the boxes, I'm going to go ahead and open them up and put them into this basket. That way, when they're ready to use them, they can just pull them out of the basket instead of opening up the box. So I have this sink here. And I thought it would be a great idea to put little things like makeup in, but it just sits in the top of the closet. And it's been sitting up there for probably 8 years. And there's things in there like these. They're brand new lip glosses, but they've been in here for 8 years. That means they're way out of date, they're expired, and they're probably not very good for my health to be using these now. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these lip glosses. Same thing with lipstick and more lip gloss. It's been in here for 8 years, so it's no good. You shouldn't be using makeup that's that old. So in that drawer, I have some nail products. I can get rid of the old ones because I have some new ones. So after going through this, there were a few nail products that I kept. I put in the bathroom in one of the drawers. And this thing is now empty, so I'm going to declutter it. So I already have a new brush set in one of the drawers in the bathroom, but I'm going to set this to the side and see if my daughter wants it. Okay, so here we have 21 shampoos and 2 conditioner. And I know what you're thinking. Why do you have so much more shampoo than you do conditioner? But wait, there's more. My husband went to Ollie's and he bought about 25 of these bottles of conditioner. He put them in a tote and stuck them in the basement. 2 weeks later, I'm making out my grocery list and he tells me to put conditioner on the list. And I said, what? And I said, didn't you just buy like 30 bottles at Ollie's? Didn't you just stick them in the basement? And it was like he didn't even remember. He said, yeah, we're out of conditioner. Because there was no conditioner inside of the shower, so he automatically thinks that we're out. Are you ready to see what my hair looks like? So I think I left the curlers in just a little too long. It's really, really poofy. So I do enjoy curling my hair on occasion, but I can achieve the same results using my curling iron. So I think I'm going to let my curlers go. So this is just all trash. I was able to make quite a bit of space just by taking stuff out of the packaging when I organized it. This is all stuff that will either be going into a yard sale box, or I will be asking my daughter and the boys if they want it still. And so that pile of trash took up 2 trash bags. That means I basically had 2 trash bags worth of trash in my bathroom closet and under my bathroom sink. Now it's time to see how it turned out. This is what my closet looks like now. I've got the razors and all the shampoos up top, and I dare my husband to go buy any more. And then here's this shelf. I put the 2 conditioners here. We've got all the men's products. We've got eye care, mouthwash, and soap. And then we've got women's products here. And then that shelf is cleared off, and then there's nothing in the corner there. And this space looks a whole lot better as well. I've got everything separated out by women's things and loofahs, teeth, and the big tote back there has like alcohol and peroxide and things like that. And now my table's clear again for my next project, and it just feels so good to get these little projects done and to get this stuff out of my house. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. So my hair came out just a little curlier than I was expected. I think it stayed up just a little too long. Just put it in a little braid. I think we should bring back the banana clips. They look cute. A barrette with curls. The classic ponytail. So pinned up. It's been a while since I wore this one. It's a little twist. The oh so fun bouncy pigtail. Girls. Bouncy.